Kinney's Street Demon and Tunnel Ram Performance Mufflers, found only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Kinney's Custom Boss Tips, now available in 3 color styles: high temperature ceramic gloss black, powder coated high temperature matte finish black, and high polish stainless steel. Set yourself apart from all of the rest with the exceptional quality and look of Kinney's Boss Custom Tips, found only at Kinney's.
See and hear your car or truck with Kinney's amazing custom exhaust. Watch the entire video to learn more.
There are 2 fast and easy ways to find your vehicle in our massive library. The first easy method is to go to our spectacular YouTube channel, click on the playlist link, then scroll down to your vehicle's playlist. Your vehicle's playlist will deliver dozens of great choices and options to consider. As for the second method,
here's how you do it. Log on to our awesome website, click on the videos link at the top of the page, then scroll down to your vehicle. There, you will find the nation's largest assortment of custom performance exhaust for your vehicle. All this only from Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
don't forget, Kinney's offers K&N and AFE Performance Cold Air Kits. Add even more performance and efficiency to your vehicle with guaranteed horsepower. Kinney's has your air kit in stock right now. The quality goes in before the name goes on. Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Kinney's is recognized nationally for expert craftsmanship and superior fabrication. Visit our outstanding website to see and hear what you've been missing.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center, Kinney's. Not a Texas resident? Visit our amazing website to find out how you can have the ultimate exhaust for your vehicle. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe right here, right now to this YouTube channel. All of Kinney's exclusive in-house products are available only at Kinney's. Since 1978, Kinney's Muffler Shop has been creating some of the country's most unique and distinctive custom exhaust systems. See it and hear it before you buy it, only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center. Follow the leader.
Guys, check it out. It is Racer X. I am here at Kinney's Exhaust Shop here in Watauga, Texas. We have just installed my 5th system on one of my vehicles, my Subaru WRX STI. If you guys need any sort of exhaust work done, you guys want a custom system, come see Kirk up here at Kinney's in Watauga and they will get you all squared away. Fantastic work. Could not be happier with their product. So, Racer X.
Hello, my name is Travis and I'm absolutely pleased and love my new exhaust from Kinney's Exhaust. This is a custom Flowmaster exhaust on a 2021 Challenger and I couldn't be happier. Thanks again, Kirk, and everybody here, including Jesus and the guys in the shop.